YouTube? It's your boy Longusta in the building. Hope all is well. We just got electricity back. We're back online. Yee! Woo! I'm super happy. And you know what time it is? Time for a ride. I got Sonic pulled out. I got him started up. Woo-hoo. It's been hibernating for 3 days. We had 3 days with no electricity. Hibernation is over. Because you know what time it is. Time to roar the streets. That's what time it is. Oh yeah, I brought out Sonic. After Hurricane Milton, we have been through all the devastation, all the destruction, but we're back. I'm gonna take a ride around my town, do a little examination, see what's going on. It's been 3 days since we had electricity, but we finally have power back on. Everybody's been in hibernation mode. I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing okay out there. Hope everybody is affected by the hurricane is recovering. I know a lot of people that are suffering from the devastation and destructions of this hurricane. So we're gonna take a ride around my town to see what's going on. Everybody's unboarding their business. Everybody's back online. Let's go. That's what's up. Oh, that tree is falling down. It's right next to my business. I heard there's a lot of area that had been affected by flooding. Just a massive amount of water. And the water has no place to go, so it just gets clogged up. So a lot of people lost their cars and their livelihood, their assets, everything. It's very unfortunate, but we can overcome these obstacles in life. Let's go, baby! I'm back! Woo! Yeah! Feels so good. I haven't ridden this bike in a while. Man, I miss Sonic so much. I was actually in California for vacation as well, so this is actually, woo! Man, it feels so great right now. I hope you guys are doing well. You know, still kicking and flopping and shifting and cranking throttles. Come on, baby. Oh, this Saturday I'm gonna hit up some of the boys. See my crew riding. I can't wait to ride with the crew. I miss riding with my crew. Yes! Wow, the wind. I miss the wind brushing against my skin. I miss the sound of the bike. I just miss every single touches of the bike. And feels so amazing to be back on this. Man, this bike is mad, man. This bike is mad. The acceleration and this bike scream, man. It screams, man. The way it accelerates is nothing. I have never experienced any type of acceleration like this bike. And the rev ranges too. The rev range is insane, bro. Insane, bro. Shoo-wee. I feel like the power doesn't kick in till like fully kicked in till like 9,000, 10,000 RPM, and after that it just goes crazy, man. Go mad, man. Woo! Let's go. I'm keep cruising around my town here, and see what's up. See what's up. Seems like everybody is back functioning. Everybody's back. We're back in business. Everything is fully functional again. Power lines are getting fixed. Yeah, Hurricane Milton really came through and caused a lot of destructions. Actually, this is my first time experiencing a Category 4 hurricane. The wind and the rain was mad, man. The wind. I honestly underestimated the hurricane a little bit. I didn't really thought that was gonna. I didn't really thought it was that powerful. So I made a video on TikTok and it went viral. It got like almost 4 million views of me just yabbing yabbing. I thought the government pranked us. So they the traffic is crazy. Some of the red lights still not working. Oh, we gotta be super careful around lane splitting in Florida, man. A lot of people are low-key frustrated. Still frustrated, so you know, we gotta look at that guy. he's like, what? He's like, how come you get to lane split and I can't? Because you in a 4-door motorized vehicle, sir. I mean, I'm on a motorcycle. You think I'm gonna be stuck back there and not do anything about it? That was super extreme. That was so extreme. I don't recommend doing that, but I had to. I'm not gonna wait in that line. That line's ridiculous. Woo. I hope you guys are doing good, man. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for subscribing. I'm so stoked. I'm like extremely excited to be riding Sonic again, to be back on the bike. Man, it feels so good. Yeah, it's fantastic. We're gonna ride around, look at some views. Look at all the situation, all the debris flying, all the projectiles. I was actually live streaming during Hurricane Milton, because as my TikTok was going viral, I had like 6,000 people on my live at once, and I literally put on my motorcycle gear during Hurricane Milton, and I walked outside when Hurricane Milton was hitting my area directly. That was crazy. Like I don't know what I was thinking. That was nuts. I got a lot of criticism about that, but I also gained like 9,000 followers in like the time frame of 3 hours, which is insane. My TikTok like went crazy overnight. People were sending me gifts and that was my first time experiencing like, you know, receiving gifts on TikTok. I think I received over like $8 worth of digital gifts on TikTok. That was an amazing feeling. I had a lot of support from people from all over the world: Germany, Russia, Philippines, Asia. Man, it was such an amazing feeling. I just felt like I need to share that with you guys. Thank you for letting me share that with you guys. And yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. Hope the family is doing well. My GoPro battery is about to die, so I can only yap it for another maybe 15%. I don't know how long of the time frame that would be, but I'm gonna be yapping into the end of the video. So make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe. Well, this red light is not even working. Why am I stopping? Shoo! Another part about this bike that I love is the auto blipper. Like the way this thing downshift. Yee-hee! I love it. Like the downshift is so crisp. It's like such a smooth transition with a lot of symphony and a lot of melodies. Oh, this light right here is working. But don't be fooled by this intersection right here. You can get a red light ticket. So if you live in Brandon, don't run that red light. That's a thirst trap. That's a political thirst trap. Hey, you heard? We're gonna cruise for a little bit. So it looks like all the mess. Oh wow, look at the tree over there. Woo, it got split in half and it's fallen. But it looked like most of the mess. Oh, that tree right there too. Sheesh. But it looks like a lot of the mess have gotten cleaned up. We at like 70%. We almost back at 100%. We got our power back on today. We got our internet back on. Our livelihood is turning back on. Our gas station is turning back on. So that's really good news. We're getting gas again. I don't need gas right now, but I heard there was people from other part of Tampa that really need gas, that were in like desperate need of gas. And I've seen like the lines for gas. It was ridiculous. Crazy. I've seen lines that stretch to like miles. The wind. The wind feels so good. Look at this guy jaywalking. Nuts, man. He jaywalking like he about to jaywalk right straight into me. Well, I guess I'm just gonna end the video right here. Thanks you guys for watching. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you. Me and Sonic, we're out.